Weekly. This is kind of what we do, all about BeesSocial and kind of knowing what's going on. With most of our assets and what you would have done from last week to this week. The weekly BeesSocial market cap report. Please, first, everybody, like, share, and subscribe to the video. And get in your friends just so they can kind of see what's going on. Just share it. And then if you're not on Telegram, you need to get on BeesSocial Telegram. There's 24-hour coverage of people there that will help you, that will answer questions, that will walk you through things. So get on our Telegram and like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube. So thank you. Yes. YFU. All right. Everything, like I said, has just been moving. On August 6th, if you would have purchased YFU, it was 98 cents. Today, it's $1.10. That's up 11 cents from a week ago. If you bought $100 of YFU tokens on August 6th, you'd have 101 YFU tokens, and it would be worth $112 if you sold them today. They have had 2 more token holders that came in, so they're up to 392 from last week from 390. YFU has a total market cap of 11,455,597. So their market cap is up another 1.2 million from last week. Everything is moving in this space. So as I go through all of these, right? As I go through all these, if you, and when we were talking about this with the triple halving, if you would have just got into any of this with BeesSocial, your everything is up over 30 to 40% in this system right here. And that it is beautiful. So you get into that kind of stuff wondering, well, how do I make money? Well, there you go. I don't know of anything you kind of get in the stock markets and make that up in 3 weeks. So,
but this is not financial advice.
This is not financial.
We're just entertaining ourselves.
That's right. That's right. We're not. Oh, and I'm not even on the slideshow, man. I'm messed up. It's Friday. That's why, Tim.
It's happy hour. It's all good.
This week on August 6th, AnimeLimited announced Daryl Lindsay 9, the winner of Gary V's NFTs. Hashtag. They made this for the contest. So AnimeLimited made this, and Daryl Lindsay won it. So congratulations. Yeah, very cool. So that's what they gave away this week with AnimeLimited. Congratulations, Daryl. Good. You got a good thing there with the NFT. This week too, I think they wound down. The Olympics is over now, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So these Olympics will always be in the hearts the most geeky in history, Tim. Because people don't know when these guys are doing signs and all this. Right. A lot of the Olympians, right? They're doing a lot of this stuff with anime and manga, or however you say that. All those type of cartoons. That's what this boxer here is doing here, and it's from a little cartoon character. So a lot of them were showing that stuff in the Olympics, and that's how popular, right, this stuff is. When we're talking about it, whether it be NFTs or anime and all this stuff, that just people are not up to speed with, Tim. It's very very popular. So here's a boxer, just one, and there's a little guy here, and I kind of wanted to show you a couple of them, Tim, because they're all doing it just before a race. Isaiah from the United States. I don't know what these this anime cartoons are. My apologies, but they're all like, even this. Here's the water polo team, and they got little outfits on just like these anime ladies down here. And last but not least, Tim, here's I think he was about to wrestle, but he's doing the pose of another thing. And like I said, if you're into these, you know exactly what this is.
Right.
So AnimeLimited was just showing it and kind of just celebrating along with the Olympics, because a lot of people were showing some love for all things anime and stuff like that.